Alrighty, y'all. So we got a mic in my back pocket and we got a mic in my helmet. So we're gonna test to see which mic sounds better. Test the mic to see which sounds better, right? Because last time I did in the front pocket and in the seat, right? This time I finally found I took the Velcro method. So I got nothing on like right now, no audio, nothing, no like distortion, no nothing, no gain, no nothing. Alright, so hopefully it picks it up okay. So I'm trying out a new mic system, man. We are definitely taking the easy pass. Because we're dodging all that traffic. Welcome back to another ride, everybody. You know, I don't thank y'all enough for all the love and support that you guys give me, the views. And I'm sorry most of my rides are like, highway rides, man. I'm trying not to yell too much because this mic can like pick up everything, right? So try not to yell too much. Just talk normally. And hopefully it sounds okay, man. We might just put on cruise control for the whole highway ride, so I'll hit y'all back when I'm on like other roads and shit, right? Like, look at this. I am dodging all of this beautiful traffic, right? Look at this. I love it. Is that a ZX14? See, and that's another reason why too, right? You just want to relax because you never know. I can't even tell who's behind me anymore with my mirrors, right? I didn't even know the bike cop was behind me and then another cop was behind me until I looked over. I'm low-key like debating if I should switch back to those mirrors, to my stock mirrors, man, or just like some bar end mirrors or something, people still ask me like, why do I still shift manually when I have a quick shifter? Cause man, that's the whole point of the bike, bro. Like, I only quick shift if it's like convenient, I guess. You know what I'm saying? Like right now, I'm too lazy to like, you know, hold on the clutch. No need all the time, you know what I'm saying? You gotta practice your shifting too, especially when I downshift. Like, y'all gotta master that. I'm not saying I'm a master at it, I'm just saying. I am far from a master, bro. I keep reaching back because I'm like, where's my GoPro? Aw, bitch.